Have you ever wondered what the key to owning your life could be? The answer might be simpler than you think. Knowledge. Knowledge, in its purest form, is the understanding of a subject or skill obtained through experience or education. It is the collective sum of what we know, and it's an essential tool in navigating our lives. But why does knowledge matter so much? It's because knowledge empowers us. It gives us the ability to make informed decisions, to understand the world around us, and to interact with that world in meaningful ways. When we are knowledgeable, we have control over our lives. We can make choices that reflect our values and aspirations. Consider this. A person who understands nutrition knows what foods to eat to maintain their health. A person who understands finance knows how to manage their money effectively. A person who understands human psychology knows how to interact with others in a positive way. In each case, knowledge is the key that opens the door to a fulfilling and meaningful life. But knowledge isn't static. It's not something you acquire once and then never touch again. It's a living, breathing entity that requires constant nourishment. This means we must continually seek out new information, learn new skills, and challenge our existing beliefs. So, how does one go about acquiring knowledge? There are many paths, and each person must find the one that suits them best. Some people gain knowledge through formal education, while others prefer self-directed learning. Some people learn best through reading, while others prefer hands-on experience. The important thing is to never stop learning, to always be curious, and to always be willing to question what you think you know. And yet, knowledge alone is not enough. We must also have the wisdom to apply that knowledge in a meaningful way. This means using our knowledge to make good decisions, to help others, and to contribute to the world in a positive way. In summary, knowledge is the key to owning your life. It empowers us to make informed decisions, understand our world, and interact with that world in meaningful ways. But acquiring knowledge is a lifelong journey, one that requires curiosity, openness, and a willingness to challenge our beliefs. And once we have that knowledge, we must also have the wisdom to use it wisely. So, never stop learning, never stop questioning, and never stop striving to use your knowledge in a way that benefits not only yourself, but the world around you. Remember, the key to owning your life lies in your hands, and that key is knowledge.